Welcome to the chemistry of pollution 101. Help! Plastics were first synthetically produced by a chemist named Leo Bakelite in 1907 and were first named Bakelite. Plastics are a material of choice due to their durability and lightweight properties and are commonly used in food and drink items. But what happens when we're done with our plastic trash? The answer is nothing if you don't put it in one of those blue bins. Plastics will almost never decompose, and if they do, it's due to burning them or leaching, which releases toxic materials such as benzene, which is C6H6 and is shaped in a hexagon with the 6 H's surrounding it, styrene, which is C6H5, sulfur trioxide, which is SO3 or acid rain, or nitrous oxide, which is N2O. Plastics aren't only harmful because of the toxins they produce, nor are they restricted to harming only humans. In the Central Pacific, the amount of plastic particles compared to plankton life is 6 to 1. Let's see how many plastic things we can find in this old runoff stream.
No wonder the sound has so much body.
It's gonna hunt me some plastics. Ever since the 90s, plastic producers have been using rosin identification codes, or RIC, to help people who recycle plastic know what kind of material it's made out of, what the composition is. So, in cases such as this old Pepsi bottle which we found in the stream, it's a RIC number 1, or it's polyethylene terephthalate, or C10H8O4, as well as this old tennis ball container. So things like this cheer bottle, which is detergent, for those you don't know, and these typical plastic bags which you get at the grocery store, it's made out of HDPE, or high density polystyrene, which is a identification code number 2. PVC, or polyvinyl chloride, is what this road salt container is made out of, and is polyvinyl chloride, which is C2H3CO. This tennis ball container cap is made out of a rosin identification code number 4, and it's made of low density polystyrene, and it's found on things like bottle caps, Tic Tac caps, basically any type of caps because it's flexible. RIC number 5, or polypropylene, is things that are made out of hard containers or straws or other types of bottle caps, and is C9H18. But why does plastic take such a long time to decompose? Well, the answer lies in RIC number 6. Polystyrene. Each polystyrene molecule is composed of styrene molecules. Linked together like this. And they just keep going and 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 going.
Okay, Zack, we got the picture. Stop it.
Going and going. It doesn't end, Chibi. It doesn't end. And going.
For God's sake, stop, man. Stop. We get it. We get it.
Spray paint, used by graffiti artists, various lawn furniture, car details, and school projects, is not what pollutes the earth or destroys the ozone. Yes, all paint causes some harm to the environment. However, that is not the issue at hand. In fact, it was aerosol spray, used since 1926, which caused massive ozone depletion, particularly a group of molecules called chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs. CFCs are part of a family of chemicals called haloalkanes, and therefore have carbon backbones with single bonds. Haloalkanes are usually composed of methane or ethane with chlorine or fluorine allied branches. Common items which use CFCs are refrigerants, aerosol, and fire extinguishers. However, CFCs aren't harmful themselves. Until they reach the stratosphere, they are completely harmless. After a few years of direct UV rays, the CFCs release a rogue chlorine atom, which reacts with the ozone, creating ClO and O2, or oxygen. Why is this bad for us humans?